If your BMW is equipped with navigation, entering a destination is possible using the voice command feature. To demonstrate the steps, we'll be using a 3 Series sedan. To begin, press the voice command button. When the system is ready for you to provide a command, you'll hear an audible tone indicating that voice command is active. Here's an example. I'm going to enter an address simply using voice command. First, press the button located here on the steering wheel, wait for the voice prompt, say enter address from any iDrive screen, and then simply follow the audible instructions. Enter address.
Please say the house number in single digits, followed by the street, the city, and the state.
555 West 57th Street, New York, New York.
Processing your input. 555 West 57th Street, New York, New York. Start guidance or add as another destination.
So from this screen, I can simply push down on the iDrive button to start guidance to that destination, or rotate down and actually add it and save it into my address book. A simple process. Simply push the button, wait for the tone, and say enter address.